Episode 2 on the IMS territory rebirth, or bring it back to life. So Darian's been on it all week. He's been plumbing up all the catch can. Sort of noticed that we've got the GFP fuel reg mounted directly to the cam, just getting some stuff out of the engine bay. No reason for it, no benefits of it, just simply works there, and that's where we're going to put it. So, but he's currently underneath the car, just re-plumbing up all the Teflon line for the water meth, sort of just neatening things back up. Obviously the car's had a bit of a hard life, so but all the lines are underneath now. Obviously the fuel tank normally sits here, that's all gone. And where the old pumps and surge tank used to sit, we've now brought the water meth pump out of the car, stuck it underneath. And yeah, so there's a good old trusty IMS did that, done as well. GJ drive lines, tail shaft, a few rubs here, which is, we'll need to do some cleansing.
That's just been from it rolling in and out.
Oh, sorry, is that, oh yeah, because we've had the, yeah, sorry, as we've been rolling in and out, we've had the stuff on there.
Made sure it was all good.
So, but yeah, probably shaft's been in there for a long time, so it's probably due for a freshen up. Twin coolers there, for those who have probably noticed it. So, that's what we run for our ZF in the territory. Big heavy car, it's doing a lot of work, so you know, lots of trans cooling is what we need on that one.
Only way to do it.
What else have we done this week, Darren? What else has happened?
Basically, yeah, it's got the few fuel lines run through the actual strut tower top just up there.
Yeah.
Just try and neaten it all
We'll
up.
bring the car down, we'll show them.
Get some shit away from the original intake manifold, because there's a little bit of clutter going on under there.
Yeah, it's got a bit messy at one stage as we're obviously doing more work to the car. So, got the intercooler pop obviously dumbed up here at the moment. It was just more so for clearancing, so we know what room we've got for running fuel lines. Still got to run the return off the reg back in. We'll no doubt clearance all that as we go. But yeah, we'll get into the engine bay and show you. So we're hoping to have the engine back in by the end of this week, but I reckon next week we'll plug the engine back in. So there's just been a lot of electrical stuff and bits and pieces we've had to remove out of the car. So, but yeah, you can see down here, so where the towers are, we've now decided to run the lines through the towers. So as we pull the engines out of the territory, they get close for the strut. So just making things easier just for future as we pull the engine in and out for freshens up, and yeah, just make things a little bit neater. One thing I probably would want to show, we've got Rob's breakout loom that we use for this.
Yeah,
where's that? Yeah. So this is a cool little thing that Rob over at Monster Talk supplied us.
Makes my life easy, so I don't have to deal with too much stuff in here.
Yeah, so there's the IO report for the territory. So Rob makes up a auxiliary lead for the Barra ECUs, which has got all the power, which has got all the pressure sensors, flex fuel. It's all on there. Like, we could have made this, but we're time poor enough as it is, and you know, it's just easy to buy this off the shelf. And when someone's got something available and you can save yourself time, it's a no-brainer really. So Darian can pretty much put a few extra pins in there for extra things we've got, and away we go. So we're sort of maxing out the ECU and as far as what we've got for inputs. So we need to take over a few other channels, but yeah, otherwise that's kind of where we are for episode 2 on the territory. As I said before, hopefully next week we'll have the engine in and possibly running maybe in 2 weeks, something like that. So, but that's where we're at, and yeah, hopefully we've got more to report next week. We do need to get some customers' cars worked on, so we kind of can't put too much time into my car, but I think it's fair that we do get some time on it. So it's been sitting for 2 years. So, but thanks guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Yeah, not a massive amount of progress, but it's progress. So thanks guys.